Hey guys, guess what? We might have a fire drill here in a minute. Hey guys, we're about to have a fire drill. Dad's making grilled cheese and I'm gonna get rid with the zombie on. I'm not getting the fan out till the alarm sound though. Oh my gosh, we're getting ready to have a fire drill. I'm serious, we're about to have a drill. Maybe. Alright, I gotta hurry up. Okay, there you go. You will see the fire alarm. Now I gotta hurry up and get zombie and Ritwood going. I don't think they're available. Man, I'm shaking now. If they don't answer, oh, no internet. If they don't answer, then they're gonna miss it. Dialing now. They may not be available. I didn't see them text. Ritwit might answer it. Wait, it's Monday. Zombie had to visit. I have to call Ritwit on WhatsApp. Ritwit, we're about to have a fire drill. Call. Getting stressed out. About to have a fire drill. Yeah, Ritwit, Dad's making grilled cheese. My smoke alarm's been off. Ritwit. Say, wait, what?
What happened?
We're about to have a fire drill.
Why have a fire drill?
Because we're making grilled cheese today.
You making a cake again?
Grilled cheese sandwich. Dad's cooking this time. We're gonna have a fire drill, I hope. It's gonna beep that. We'll hear the beep before, but I didn't get the fan out. But if the fire alarm's down, I'm getting the fan out. And I'll have to. And Caitlin's downstairs. She's gonna start screaming and hollering. That's why I'm telling her to get her butt up to her room. We're about to have a fire alarm. I'm spending about 5 more minutes. Ritwit, you excited for this? You got to stay on the phone. If your parents call you, ignore. I was screaming when the alarm sound. You excited, Ritwit?
Where's your sister?
Upstairs. She's gonna start raging and screaming when the fire alarms go off. That's the problem. She's setting up her new iPhone. She's setting up my mom's old phone, and we're about to have a fire alarm. And Dad asked me if I wanted to grill cheese. I told him yes. So we're about to have a fire drill here in a few minutes. Caitlin is gonna be pissed off when the alarm sounds. So the iPad's gonna stay down here. I will not show. Now, if Caitlin rages about the alarm, then then I'm just gonna watch the alarm shut off from the basement and then reset it. That's how I might do it. Now I gotta be quiet so I can hear the alarm sound. Ribbit, are you looking for this fire alarm?
I don't know.
Well, it's going to be loud. It's going to be loud, and then a lot of racket's gonna go on. So, if you don't like this, I won't do this again with you when we have our next fire drill. But I hope it gets set off today, then I won't have to do it next Monday or Tuesday. Ritwit! Ritwit, if your parents call, you ignore them, because we're about to have a fire drill here in a few minutes. You're finally gonna get to hear you're finally gonna get to hear the fire alarms for the first time. I'm hope. I think you've heard them before, didn't you?
Where's the PC?
I'm down in the basement now, waiting on the fire alarms to sound. But it might sound at this point. Now I'm on switch ears, hurry up. Ritwit. Say fire drill.
Fire drill.
Maybe. If it sounds. Caitlin's gonna be mad, though.
Yeah.
What?
It's my birthday.
Huh?
It's my birthday.
Oh, yeah, happy birthday, Ritwit. It's tomorrow, right? Or is it today?
Today.
Oh, happy birthday, I forgot. Why didn't you tell me? Well, right now we're worried about the fire drill, so that's your birthday present. the alarm sound. You'll get to hear them for the first time. I think you've heard them on my channel before, but I just want you to hear them in person. I'm just hoping it's going to go off today. But here's the problem. If it sounds, I will have to go fast. And I will be turning the light on when it sounds. This light on. It's going to get the film without getting hurt. Really, say fire drill?
Fire drill?
Maybe? Oh, yep, I knew it! We're having a fire alarm now. I knew it! Gotta get the fan and hurry up. Yeah? Very loud. Let me show you. Now watch, Ritwik. They just shutting off now. Ha ha, Ritwik! What do you think? Alright, Ritwik. Now I gotta show you what I have to do now. It's very smoky. Fire alarm went off. Very smoky. Turn open the door. Door number. Show you how smoky it is because it's time to eat. I'm going to keep the fan up here for a while. Gosh, Ritwik. Yeah, I told you. Let me show you. You used to steal it. Knew we were gonna have one. Bye, Ritwik. Yeah, you set the alarm off. Alright, guys, so. No, you cannot. Are you trying to set the smoke alarms off again? Leave the fan on. Should have put the dog in the crate before the alarms went off. Very smoky. Oh, Lord.